How to claim credit back on Temu in 2025. So in this video, I will show you the step-by-step method to recover your credit successfully. So make sure to like and subscribe. Step 1. Open your Temu app and log into your account. And once you're inside the app, you can tap the You or Hello tab bottom at the top right or bottom right corner. And this is where all your orders and account settings are. Step 2. Tap on your orders and browse through your past orders and find the one that you want to request credit for. And this is usually applicable if you did not receive your item, if it was damaged, or if there was a delivery delay. Step 3. Tap on the order and then click Contact Support. Select the issue that applies, such as item not received or arrived late, and then write a short explanation and request store credit instead of a refund, if that option is available. Step 4. Once Temu support reviews your case, you will get either the credit score instantly or within a few hours. To confirm it, return to the You tab and then tap on the credits or the coupons and offers. That's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.